Hello and welcome to my channel, Your Finger, My Ring. I turn coins into rings, and today I want to try something a bit different. This is a Japanese 5 yen coin. These were first minted in 1959. There's no date on this. Well, there is a date on it, but... And these Japanese characters are known as new script and kanji in the Kaisho style. I probably said that totally wrong, but let's give it a go. It's quite pretty. So first of all, I've got to punch a hole in it, and I'm going to use the smallest punch I've got because it's a very small coin. I'm using a 3/8 punch, and this is self-centering, so you're guaranteed of a dead center. How's everybody doing? There you go. It already comes with the hole, but it's not big enough. So we'll go over to Big Bertha, and we'll stick 20 tons of metal on it. Get that hole punched through. There you go. A bit of a rainy day here today. But like the Finns say, it's good for the nature. Okay, what we got? This is going to be a very small ring. But hopefully, the Japanese got very small fingers. See? There's the centre bit. So if there's any Japanese watching this and you'd like me to make you a ring, this is the only Japanese coin I've got, so you can always send me your own. So now I want to clean up the inside edge. Make sure there's no cracks or splits forming, otherwise that can cause the ring to split as you're stretching it. There you go, that's pretty good. A little bit of swarf in there, but that's okay. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Right, let's get some Bernie the fire starter on it and give it some love. I'm just looking for that flame to change to an orangey colour. I do custom orders. There you go. That's now annealed. I do custom orders. I've got quite a lot of different coins, or you can send me your own coins. Okay, so I think we'll go for, I think this is a, or maybe the Japanese characters. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for the Japanese characters on the outside of the ring. So that's got to go face down. I need a smaller, this is a 17-degree folding die. That fits perfectly. Let's go over to Big Red. This is my 1-ton arbor press. Give it a bit of the old zoom in a bit. Lovely jubbly. If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comments under the video, or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Getting a bit off-centered there. Okay, that's good. She's a good one. Back to the table. A bit less soon. I just want to clean up, make sure there's no... It looks pretty good, but it doesn't hurt to be on the safe side. There you go. Lovely and clean. No cracks, no splits. She's looking good. Now the trouble is, as usual, these tiny coins, I want to have trouble getting this over spike. So we have to do a bit of the old jiggery pokery to start it. Oh, come on, baby. Just get going. Yes, that's good. Right. Now we put a bit of kitchen roll over. This protects the inside of the coin. I know you're not going to see any detail, but it's nice to, you know, it's there. Give it a quarter of a turn each time. Like I said, this is going to be a tiny ring. Wish this thing would focus better. I watch a lot of videos, people put their hand in the way and it's it looks perfect, but focus, you bugger. We'll probably get there eventually. What size we got at the moment? At the moment we're looking at a UK size M, EU size 52. So let's give it a bit more. It's getting work hardened. I don't want to go too far with this. Let's get a bit more of the old Bernie. Show it a bit more love. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you've got any comments, good or bad, you can drop them down in under the video. I always answer them. You can check out my store, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size, but I can easily make them slightly larger or slightly smaller. Most of them are €28. That includes ALV or VAT, whatever you want to call it. I think that's going to be my lot with this one. What size are we looking at now? EU size. Okay. Yeah, I can't see on the monitor, it's so blurred. It's a 59. UK size is a R.5. And US size is about 8 3/4. So now, there's no lip, there's a bit of a lip. Now I want to cut that lip out. It's not much. In fact, there's hardly any, but there is a little bit of a lip. That makes the ring uncomfortable to wear. You give it a bit of a turn each time, so you get the same amount of pressure. I found out if you just keep doing it in the same place, you sometimes get more cutaway than other parts. That's nice. It didn't need much, just a little bit of a... Right, now we want to straighten the walls. Something white, there you go. Let's go back down to the bottom of the spike. These all look rather big. Do you want to go crazy? Gah. It's not looking too bad. Maybe a touch more. I think I'll change this for this one. I don't like this one very much, but what we got here. There you go. Walls are nice and straight. Let's give it a clean up. My first Japanese ring. A short video as well, 12 minutes 30 at the moment. Right, let's get a bit of polish on the inside. I'm always making a mess with this polish. Hey, I'm learning. Get this bit in shot. I'm always sort of going over there somewhere. Told you I'd get there eventually. Okay. God, I'm messy. I'm a messy pup. Yeah, the insides come up really good. You got all the detail in there. Nice and shiny. Right, let me bang in Kate Bush. My Japanese friends out there, if you want this outside of the ring polished, no problem. I prefer the satin look. I mean, it's going to be quite shiny anyway. They're not highly polished. So what we got? What's it look like? That's quite good. Yeah, it's quite sexy. I quite like it. So on me, it doesn't go on my little finger, but EU size, and you always measure from the reeded part of the coin. It's not reeded, but it's milled edge. This is a size 56 EU, spot on 56. UK P US 7.5. So there you go, ladies and gents. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a little button somewhere here. There is. Little red button, bottom right hand corner. I'm pressing it. You've got to press it yourself. It's free, costs you nothing, and you're automatically subscribed. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.